Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can change your location in the Toggl Track time tracking application in 2026. For example, if you just moved to another location or country and now you'd like to change these account settings accordingly here in the Toggl Track app inside your account. So let us begin. Alright guys, so navigate to Toggl Track, for example, through the desktop app, log into your account. And for this method, you will need to access your profile settings in the bottom left. Click into this icon, select profile settings. Next, inside your profile settings, click into account settings with that gear icon here. Now guys, what you want to do next is navigate to the personal details tab on the left hand side. And here scroll down, and under country, you will see your current country. Click into that drop down menu and choose the country from that list. I don't know, let me go with Ireland for the sake of this tutorial, and you will see that the country has been updated successfully. So let me switch back to Poland, and that's how it works. So you don't need to click into any save button. These changes are saved automatically by Toggl Track. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.